Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I just received my very first creative team package from scrapbook.com. So I thought I would go through everything with you. There are lots of fun new stamp, dies, foam adhesive, and also a few other goodies. And you can expect to see some future videos using these new products. And if you are interested in any of the items I show in this video, I do have a link in the description box below. The first item is a small storage bin with lid. This is the frost color. So here's a look at the small storage bin. There are two pieces. It has a lid that comes off, and then here's the little storage bin. And the bin is just under 2 inches deep. The lid that fits on top of the small storage bin is the exact same size as the small stack and sort trays. I'll grab one here for you so you can see that. So if you're working on a project and you have some larger items, you can use the bin to store those. Then you can add some of your die cut pieces, maybe some embellishments in the trays. And since the bin is the same size as the stack and sort tray, it also fits on top of the large stack and sort tray. And you could put two of the bins side by side on top of the large stack and sort tray. Next up, we have lots of new foam. The first foam, these are A2 size adhesive sheets, and they come in 3 different widths. Scrapbook.com already had the 2mm thickness, but now they've introduced the 3mm thickness and also 1mm thickness. The packs include 5 sheets, and these are A2 size. I'm opening up the 3mm foam. There's a backing sheet on both sides of the foam. You can kind of see how thick this foam is. It's great for shaker cards or if you just like to add a lot of dimension to your projects. And if you don't like that much dimension, there's always the 2mm or my personal favorite, the 1mm foam. The next foam is a very popular style. It's their foam adhesive strips, and these are 1/8 inch wide. The package includes 5 sheets. You'll get a total of 160 pieces. So depending on what project you're working on, you should have plenty of foam. It takes me a while to work through just one sheet of the adhesive strips. This was already available in the 2mm size, and now Scrapbook.com has the 3mm and the 1mm. And the foam strips are great for creating shaker windows or adding behind sentiments or other small die cut pieces. I'll pull out a sheet from each of the packages, hold them all up so you can see the difference in the thicknesses. I love having a wide variety of foam thicknesses and also foam shapes. I'm not showing it in this video, but Scrapbook.com also has foam rolls in 1/4 inch and 1 inch, and both are available in all 3 thicknesses. I'll remove one of the strips so you can see the size, and this is the 3mm thickness. There are 4 more new double-sided foam adhesive shapes, 2 different sizes of squares and 2 different sizes of circles. And they're all available in the 3mm, 2mm, and 1mm thickness. I'm only showing the 2 new thicknesses, the 3mm and 1mm. First up, we have the large squares, and these are about 1/2 inch in size. I think it's just a little bit smaller. I'm showing you the 1mm thickness. You can see it adds just that tiny bit of dimension. Then we have the small squares, and these are about 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit smaller. I'm also showing you the 1mm thickness of the small squares. Then we have the large circles and the small circles. And these are great for putting behind small die cuts. You could also put them behind your sentiments. That way you don't have to cut down your foam. These are already pre-cut. Now with both of the circles, you do end up with all that negative area. I always save that, cut those pieces, and put them behind some of the larger die cut pieces. That way there's no waste. I just showed the large circles. Now I'll show you the small circle, and this is the 1 millimeter thickness, so it is very small. Sometimes all you need is a small piece of foam, so I love that they have the different sizes. So there's a quick overview of some of Scrapbook.com's brand new foam. Next up is some pattern paper. This is Scrapbook.com's birthday collection. It was already available in the A2 size, and now it's available in the 6x8 size. I did share a video earlier this year using the A2 size and some of their new stamp and dies, and I will add a link at the end of this video if you're watching on YouTube. The paper pad includes 40 sheets, and this is a nice heavyweight cardstock, 230 GSMs. There are 5 sheets of each pattern, so you have plenty to choose from. I love the mix of colors, perfect for masculine or feminine cards. If you need to make some birthday cards, this is a great collection. And on the back side of some of the patterns, there is a solid color, and it's nice having those solids since they coordinate perfectly with the other patterns. And here I'm showing you a comparison between the 6x8 and the A2 size paper pads. Now moving on to the stamp and die sets. The first stamp set is called Lovely Bunches. There are 2 beautiful floral images and a nice variety of sentiments. And I don't believe it's available yet, but there will be a coordinating die set. You can always check the Coming Soon section on Scrapbook.com's website. The next stamp set is called Hello Spring. There are 2 different sizes of carrot images, the large sentiment Hello Lovely, Hello Sunshine. There are some smaller images and several other sentiments perfect for Easter or spring cards. The next stamp set is Spring Flower Cart. You have a fun flower cart image, several sentiments, and 2 silhouette butterflies. And this set also has coordinating dies, but I don't think they're available just yet. Next is the stamp set Mini Circle Sentiments. And there's a really fun variety of sentiments that you could use year-round. It has everything from spring, fall, and even Christmas. And this set is designed to work with the rabbit die set, and I'll show you that here in a moment. The next stamp set is a larger set. This one's called Sunshine Blooms. I love how it includes the outline and also the solid for the flowers. So if you're like me and you don't color, you can still enjoy this set. And there will be a coordinating die set. It's in the Coming Soon section. The next stamp set is called You're So Sweet, and I did use this in a previous video. This is similar to the floral since it has the outline and also the solids. So if you don't want to color all the fun fruits, you can simply stamp them using colored ink. And the coordinating die set is coming soon. The next stamp set is called Party Animal. This is a really fun looking set. We have a couple different balloon animals, the large sentiment Happy Birthday. There's a fun layered cake, candles, a cupcake, balloons, and some tiny stars. And there is a coordinating die set. I love that there's a die that goes around all of the images and also the sentiments. I really like the look of the Happy B-Day sentiment on this set, and it'll work perfectly with the new birthday pattern paper. Now moving on to the die sets. The first one is a word die set called Hello Sunshine. And this set includes the words and also the outline. There are 2 different sentiments, Hello Sunshine and You're So Sweet. And if you notice from the You're So Sweet stamp set, it is the same font. And I believe the outline on the die set will also fit with the stamp sentiment. The next die set is called Celebration Banners. This is a really fun looking set. There are 4 different decorative banners, a bunting, some stars, and 2 of them have the look of tiny circles. There are also individual dies of the 2 small stars. There's a small triangle for the bunting and also a couple of flags. And one of the flags has a fun scallop design. The next die set is called Birthday Banners. 3 different banners included and 3 different words. So we have happy, birthday, and celebrate. And the sentiment dies will cut out all the letters individually. But with the outline on the banner piece, I think it'll be very easy to adhere all those letters down. I like how on the back of the die packaging, there are samples of what the final product will look like. It's very helpful, especially when you have a bunch of small dies on the set. The next die set is called Flower Cart, and I did use this in my Market Bloom video. I'll also add a link for that video at the end of this video if you're watching on YouTube. This is a really fun set. You can use all the different die pieces to create an adorable flower cart. And this is the same image as the stamp set. The die set also includes 2 sentiments, hello and thank you. The next die set is called Fruit. It's a fun variety of different fruit images, lemons, oranges, watermelon. There's a bunch of different foliage and leaf pieces. And there are also 2 different sizes of cute umbrellas. The larger one even has the little fringe detail. I love that the seeds of the watermelon are teeny tiny little hearts. And you could save all those hearts when you cut out the watermelon and put them inside a shaker card. The next die set is called Rabbit, and this is a really fun die set. Lots of different pieces. It includes the rabbit head, a fun variety of different glasses, and also hats for the rabbits. And on the back side, you can see a variety of fun ways you can dress up your rabbit. There are different outfits you could put on your rabbit: a crown, a bow, a couple of headbands. One of them has the sentiment Happy B-Day, and there's even a little party hat. And this is the set that works with the Mini Circle Sentiment stamp set. The circle sentiments work with the wider frame glasses. The next die set is called Market Bloom Florals. You can see there are lots of fun pieces, 26 in total. I love the beautiful etched detail on the flowers and leaves. And for even more variety of flowers, you could always mix and match the pieces with some of Scrapbook.com's other floral sets. They have their Sunny Lane florals, which is a great set. And they also have several greenery and foliage die sets. On the back side of the package, you can see what the finished flowers can look like. Of course, you could always mix and match those pieces to create your own variety of flowers. The next die set is called Stitching Patterns, and these are slimline size dies. There are 6 dies, and these don't cut out anything. Instead, they'll add this fun stitch detail. There's X's, whimsical X's, little scallop, zigzag, polka dot, and also a traditional stitch line. The next die set I'm showing you coordinates with Scrapbook.com's Happy Birthday Sentiment set. When they first released it, the dies weren't available. So here's a look at the stamp set, and this is a great stamp set to have if you make a lot of birthday cards. So now they do have the coordinating dies available, and there is 1 die for every single sentiment, which is really nice. I also received a new stencil set called Spring Flowers. This is a layered stencil set with 3 different pieces. Let me open this up so you can see all the different layers. There's a fun lattice design, polka dots, and also the flowers. Of course, these all layer together to create a beautiful floral background, but you could also use some of the stencil layers separately. I have one final product to show, and this is a new tool. It's called the Craft Pick Pro Tool, and this is a 4-in-1 tool, which is really nice. It includes 4 interchangeable tips. The first tip is a piercing tool, so you can use this for poking out intricate die cuts. And if you flip it around, it has a diamond painting tool. Now, I don't do any diamond painting, but if you do, it's nice that this tool includes that piece. On the other end, my favorite side is the sticky wax tip. These are great for picking up small embellishments or small die cuts. So So if you're making a cute little fox critter and you cut out that teeny tiny eye, you can use the sticky wax tip to pick up that tiny piece. And if you flip that around, there's a scraper tool on the other side, and you can use that to help get underneath your papers, and it also helps remove the backing from double-sided adhesive. I've used an embellishment wand for years and I love having it. So I was super excited to see Scrapbook.com release a similar tool, but theirs have 3 other uses as well, which is really nice. So there's a quick look at some of Scrapbook.com's new items, and I'll be using these in future videos. If you are interested in any of the products I showed in this video, I do have links in the description box below. Several of the items are coming soon. You can always sign up to receive email notification when they are released. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.